Hi everyone, and welcome to Belinda's DIYs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some pumpkin lanterns using some cutting mats. I'll be using a pack of this flexible cutting mats from Dollar Tree. Earlier, I traced a pumpkin face on this poster board. So I'm going to lay it over my mat and I'm going to trace out the pumpkin face onto my mat. I decided to use a pumpkin face for this lantern. I figured this would be easy to freehand. Once I traced it all out, this is how it turned out. Now I'll be using a box cutter to cut out the outlines. And this is how it turned out. I have this old candle and I'm going to be using the lid for the base of my lantern. The side wall of the lid is going to work perfect to hold up my lantern. Let me show you. I'm going to bring together both ends of the mat to create a cylinder. When I slip it inside the lid, you can see that it fits perfectly. To keep the cylinder in place, I added some tape. I'm going to start by adding some hot glue around the wall of the lid, and then I'm going to place my cylinder inside. And then I added some more hot glue around the outside wall just to make sure that it would stay in place. I'll be using this orange acrylic paint to now paint my jack-o'-lantern. Now what I have done is watered it down because I want the paint to be transparent. And to make it look more like a pumpkin, I went ahead and I added some lines. For this, I used the paint as it was. I didn't water it down, and all I did is just create some lines with my paintbrush. I'm going to use one of these leaves from Dollar Tree and I'm going to hot glue it there to the side of my jack-o'-lantern. And I also added a green leaf. And to light up the lantern, I'll be using this LED remote control candles. So here I am testing the light to see how it looks, and now I'm not quite happy with it, so I end up using a Sharpie to outline the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.